Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you a quick and super effective trick to make your Power BI dashboards more user-friendly. Adding a reset button that instantly clears all filters and returns your dashboard to its default state using bookmarks. If you've ever found yourself or a colleague getting lost in a sea of filters and slicers, wishing for a magic button to just start fresh, this tutorial is for you. By the end of today's walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up your own reset button and make your Power BI reports much easier to navigate. Let's dive right in. First, you should have a Power BI report with some data already loaded and ideally a few slicers or filters on your dashboard. For those of you who may not have worked with slicers before, think of them like digital filters. They let you focus in on just part of your data, like narrowing down sales by region or product. For our demonstration, I'm clicking on a slicer to filter some data just to show how it affects the visualizations. It's always a good idea to do this first, so you can see the reset button in action later. If you want, play around and apply a few different filters so you'll really notice the difference once we clear them. Now, let's set up our reset bookmark. Start by making sure all the filters and slicers are cleared. That means nothing is selected. Basically, try and return your report to the clean, default state you want new users to see when they open the dashboard, or what you'd like your reset button to restore. This step is very important. Whatever is on the page right now will become your reset state, so double-check that you've removed any filtering. Once you're ready, head over to the Insert tab in the ribbon and choose to add a button. You can pick any style you like. I usually go with a rounded rectangle for a clean look. Label it something obvious like Reset or Clear Filters. The key is to make sure anyone looking at the dashboard knows right away what the button is meant to do. With your button on the page, our next task is to create a bookmark. This is how Power BI remembers what the reset state looks like. Go to the View tab and open the Bookmarks pane. Here, click Add to create a new bookmark, and immediately rename it to something like Reset so it's easy to identify later. Take a deep breath here. Bookmarks in Power BI capture not just filters, but also which visuals are shown, their state, and more. So if you ever update your dashboard layout, you might want to refresh this bookmark to get the latest default settings. Alright, almost there. Now we need to link our button with our new bookmark. Click the button you added and in the Visualizations pane, find the Action settings. Turn on Action, then set the type to Bookmark, and choose your Reset bookmark from the list. This means whenever someone clicks that button, Power BI will instantly switch everything back to the stored reset state. Okay, it's time to try it out. In Power BI Desktop, you'll need to hold down Control and click the button to test it. Go ahead and mess around with a few slicers, then hit your new Reset button just to watch everything snap back to the default state you saved earlier. It's satisfying, right? And that's all there is to it. You've just made your Power BI dashboard way more user-friendly by giving viewers an easy way to clear all their selections and start over. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any hiccups or have questions about bookmarks in Power BI. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and happy data exploring.